In this video, I'll be showing you how to use save audio on an Instagram post. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, let's say you have a really specific song that you want to use in an Instagram post. This is how you do it. So let's just go over to Instagram and let's say we want to go over to
and this will be
Reels
measured
or something like that. And let's just
I'm looking for
until we find something like that has music in it. So all you have to do
I hate this game!
is just click on
Attention,
the three little
Addlestone.
dots
Do you
over
live
there.
near here?
All you want to do is click go to the post section, and now we just want to make a post. So we're going to press the little camera icon. We're going to click post right there on the left, and then from here you can either choose something or we can just take a picture. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to take a picture of this mouse right here. So we're going to take that picture. Now we can add anything we want to it. So we're going to go to music, then we're going to go to saved, and now we can just choose any of the saved from here. So we're going to use that, and then literally you can just use it however many times you want, and you can save as many songs as you want as well to be able to be used on any Instagram post of your choice. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also let us know in the comments what more tutorials you want from this channel in the future.